Hi, I'm Jason. If you run a cleaning business and you're still manually replying to every lead, scheduling appointments by hand, and chasing customers for follow-ups, you're wasting a huge amount of time. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how cleaning businesses can use GoHighLevel to automate lead responses, booking appointments, follow-ups, reminders, and even review requests. So whether you run a residential cleaning business or a commercial cleaning business or Airbnb cleaning service or a mobile cleaning team, for example, this tutorial will help you streamline your business and get more bookings automatically. Now let's jump in. Now let's be honest, here's why your cleaning business needs automation. Most cleaning businesses lose customers for one simple reason: slow follow-up. Think about it. Someone searches house cleaning near me, they submit a quote request, but nobody responds quickly, so they contact the next cleaning company instead. That's how most local leads work. The first business to respond usually wins. The problem is most cleaning business owners are busy managing staff, driving between jobs, or cleaning properties, or handling supplies, or sometimes scheduling appointments. That's where automation becomes powerful. GoHighLevel helps you instantly respond to leads even when you're busy. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up and test out GoHighLevel for yourself for completely free for 14 days. What GoHighLevel does for cleaning businesses. GoHighLevel is basically an all-in-one CRM and automation platform. For cleaning businesses, it can capture leads, automate replies, send text messages, manage bookings, and send reminders, also request reviews and follow up automatically. So, for example, if someone fills out your cleaning quote form, from there GoHighLevel can instantly send a text message, email the customer, and notify your team and send a booking link automatically. This helps cleaning businesses respond faster and book more jobs. Now let's build a simple cleaning business booking system. Once you're in GoHighLevel, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you're going to select calendars. After selecting calendars, you're going to tap on calendar setting. Once you have selected calendar setting, you're going to tap on new calendar, and you're going to tap on explore more types, and you would select service booking. And I would recommend that you create separate calendars for deep cleaning, standard cleaning, move out cleaning, and Airbnb cleaning, and also commercial cleaning if you offer that. And you're going to tap right where you see connections before doing that, and you'll need to tap on add new, and from here you can connect your Google Calendar, for example, Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendar, or Calendly Calendar. Once you have set that up, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on availability. After selecting availability, you can set up your booking times, so the times that you're available. You can also tap on preferences, and from here you can set up different preferences as you can see right here, so you'll be able to customize it to your liking. Now once you have set up your calendar, all you need to do now is go back, so you're going to tap on back right there, and you're going to tap on automation. Before going back, let me show you how your calendar will look. So for example, if I were to go into calendar settings, I can tap right here on share, and I'm just going to copy this calendar link, and I'm going to paste it here so you can see. So your customers will be able to go onto the calendar, choose the date, the service that they want, and also the time, and tap on select. Fill in the information. If it is a case that you would like to collect payment also, you can do that with GoHighLevel. After you have collected the payment, you want to go back, and you're going to tap right where you see automation, and you're going to select workflows. So I'm going to be showing you how to create your first workflow. You're just going to tap on start from scratch. After you have selected start from scratch, you're going to tap on new trigger, and this is basically what is going to start the automation process. So you're going to tap on trigger right here, and for example, the trigger could be form submitted, Facebook lead form, or website chat, or incoming call. So we're just going to select form submitted, and we're going to tap on save trigger. So once they fill out the booking form, they'll automatically start the automation. After doing that, we're going to tap on the plus right here. Then we can choose to either send an email or send an SMS. So we can select send an SMS. After you have selected send an SMS, from here you could fill in a quick message, for example, thank you for your booking, we'll get in touch with you as soon as possible. So you could fill that in right here. So now when someone requests a quote, GoHighLevel automatically replies and helps them schedule a cleaning appointment. The other thing that I want to show you is missed call text back for cleaners, as this is one of the best features for cleaning businesses. Here's why this matters. A lot of cleaning business owners miss calls because they're driving, cleaning homes, managing teams, or on another job. Without automation, that lead disappears. But with GoHighLevel, if someone calls and nobody answers, they instantly receive a text message like, "Sorry we missed your call. How can we help you today?" And to set this up, you'll need to go into workflow just like what I'm here, and you'll tap on create workflow and you'll tap on start from scratch. After you have done that, you're going to tap on add trigger, and the trigger is going to be call details. So you'll simply search for call details in the search box right there, and you're going to tap on save trigger. Then you're going to tap on the plus, and we're going to tap on send SMS, and this is where you'll be able to type in the SMS that says, "Sorry we missed your call. How can we help you today?" That alone can recover a huge amount of lost leads. Now imagine this, you're cleaning a property for 3 hours. During that time, 2 people call. One person fills out a code form, another sends a Facebook message. Normally, you might lose all those leads, but with GoHighLevel, every lead gets an immediate response automatically. That's how small cleaning businesses start operating like professional automated companies. If you would like me to set this up for you, you can tap the link in the description, sign up to GoHighLevel, then send me an email and I will assist you. Also, once you understand the basics, you can build more advanced systems like recurring cleaning reminders, review request automations, and customer reactivation campaigns, staff notifications, and AI chatbots and upsell campaigns. There are numerous features that you can quickly access with GoHighLevel. For example, if we were to go back to the dashboard, you can select marketing and you can see where you can use their social media planner. You also have emails, so you can set up newsletters where you'll be able to send promotional emails. You can also tap on automation, and that is what I just showed you a while ago. And sites is where you'll be able to create your websites or funnels that you'll be able to offer your services, and you can also set up chat widgets. There are numerous options that you can set up with GoHighLevel. But here are a few things that I would recommend that you avoid. First, I want you to always test the text messages and booking links and also the email notifications to check if they are working. In conclusion, if you want your cleaning business to save time, respond faster, and book more clients automatically, GoHighLevel is one of the best tools you can use. It helps automate lead generation, booking, follow-up, reminders, and customer communication. If you want to try it for yourself, check out the links below and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials and local business automation strategies. Thanks for watching.